Some of these gadgets are interesting. The first one, Amanda, you like this.
Yeah. Each student has their own crate. Got the idea on Pinterest. We took a milk crate and made a cushion on top. Each student has their own, gives them their own space to sit, and they all sit in pretty much like a big U around the carpet, facing the teacher.
I really like these chairs. I like that they come in different heights. Jess, you want to model that for us? It enables the child to wiggle, because as we know, some of our children have to get the wiggles out and are unable to sit still in any type of situation. Those also fit under a desk, so they're able to use it at their desk or bring it with them. It's light enough that they could bring it to them to the floor, because even in 4th and 5th grade, we like the children to come up to the front of the classroom in our meeting area.
The importance for a child with disability is that they have a problem finding themselves, their body in space. And when you sit them on a carpet, you'll find them rolling, you'll find them not knowing where they are. And a crate like this allows their feet to be grounded, and they have a tactile sense of where they are, better than if they were just sitting on the carpet. This is another teacher-made tool. This was originally one of those little crawl things that you would find maybe toddlers going through or going over. And we tipped it up this way, and we made some cushions of different heights. And Jess, why don't you come sit here and model this particular thing. What this does, actually this is too high, so I'm going to make it for a taller child. There you go. Beautiful. It gives the core some stability, so that some of our children who don't have the muscle strength in their core, it allows them to be able to sit on the carpet with the other children and yet still maintain their posture.
And I love it because you feel pressure all over your body.
So this would be another tool for a student that has an attention issues. This is just placed on the classroom seat, and it allows them to move and gives them that sensory tactile feel as they are sitting at their desk, along with the ball, which we use.
Well, you can only do one thing at a time, so Linda. All right, Vanna, move to the ball.
The ball is a great tool that we either use in the front of the classroom, or the child can use it right at their desk.
And it's not just for kids who need that sensory input. Sometimes the physical therapist will come in and will use this to develop that core strength. You know, right. And so they can do their therapy right within the classroom, and the child doesn't lose out on any academics while they're bouncing on this wonderful little ball. Let's talk about crutches.
Yes. We had crutches this year with a few of our students in our classroom, and one of our IEP goals was to allow the child to be able to keep his crutches beside him at all times after he had transferred into his chair. We had used...
well, we're going to make believe this is a crutch.
Okay, that sounds good. We had used Velcro, and the child was able to remove his crutches and Velcro them to the end of his chair. And I know you guys use this other tool.
Well, with some of our children who move around from class to class, knowing where they were going to sit and how much Velcro to put on the edge of a desk became an issue. So this little cheese ball thing, we put some weights in it so that it would be steady, and the child would put the crutches in the bucket here, and it would stay wherever. It allows the child to be independent too, and it maintains
someone to give them to.
Yeah. And it maintains the safety too, because again, children who are on crutches have a different sense of the world than we do. Their world is not functioning on 2 legs, it's functioning on almost 4 legs. And so they have a wider stance, and sometimes they actually don't know where they are. And they'll take their crutches and do that.
Another tool that we use is this block. They can put it under the desk when they're sitting, and we'll let Jess demonstrate that. And they can put their feet on. This helps children whose feet are not touching the ground. That way they can get the stability and they can still feel the ground, so they're not swinging their legs and distracted by all the movement. It helps them get stable, and so they can focus their attention on what's going on in the classroom.